Yes, now President Uhuru Kenyatta is expected any minute now to jet into Mombasa County ahead of the launch of the standard gauge railway train for the cargo. And he's also expected to address residents in Changamwe and Mombasa. Let's speak to our Coast Region reporter Francis Ontomwa on how that particular itinerary looks and what we expect from that. And Francis, good afternoon. How are the final preparations going on there? Are the people of Mombasa excited about this launch?
Well, Akisa, a lot of excitement here in the city of Mombasa. The launch of the standard gauge railway is finally here. At any moment from now, the head of state is expected to jet in Mombasa here, of course, ahead of this big and auspicious occasion of launching the standard gauge railway. And just today, he'll be launching the cargo train at the Kenya Ports Authority. And there is a lot of preparations already going on there. But here in town, of course, you speak to residents of Mombasa here. They are quite excited on this new plan of, or rather this new mode of transportation, because already reports have indicated that it will be much cheaper than traveling by bus from Mombasa to Nairobi. And therefore, so many people here, of course, looking forward to this big occasion. Earlier on in the morning, of course, we heard that the government spokesperson, Eric Kiraithe, trying to set pace for this whole occasion. Of course, trying to talk about the benefits that will come with SGR. Of course, notwithstanding some of the issues that have been raised, especially regarding the cost of SGR versus what is being offered in other countries, such as Ethiopia, for instance. And that is one of the things that he brought out, that despite all this politics that has been brought forth regarding the standard gauge railway, there is a lot really to celebrate about the standard gauge railway that I really tried to outline on that particular front. Akisa, ahead of this exercise of course, we expect that maiden trip by Uhuru Kenyatta tomorrow, when he'll be making his way all out of Mombasa, heading to Nairobi, and that is what has been it is much expected here. And of course, looking at the kind of hype and euphoria that this whole celebration of SGR has brought forth, it will actually not go without a bit of politics. And politically speaking, of course, this is one of those flagship projects, rather some of the projects that the Jubilee administration will be trying to lay out to Kenyans, to try and tell them that yes, these are the successes that we've managed. Of course, looking at some of the issues that they've not managed to attain in terms of their election pledges in the last election. This one, they have made some strides, and they will want really to make it quite big to Kenyans. And of course, one of the things that will, of course, feature strongly is the fact that Mombasa plays a huge epicenter in this whole affair, given that this train will be emerging from Mombasa. And therefore, politically speaking, Jubilee will also be wanting to snatch a bit of capital out of this to try and tell Kenya that this is the success. But by and large, of course, a lot of expectations ahead of this event. Of course, residents lining up and waiting for the head of state to be arriving. Later on, we understand that during his arrival here, he'll be making stopovers here in Mombasa, and it will, of course, be culminated by that rally at Changamwe, where is expected to talk about this issue even more at that particular rally, Akisa.